Hello friends, so today we will discuss modified differential protection of alternator. In the earlier class, I discussed differential protection. The main drawback of differential protection is that it only protects 80 to 85% of the winding and remaining 20% of the winding near the neutral remains unprotected, but this drawback overcome by modified differential protection scheme. In the differential protection, three phases with the three relay operating coil is used, but in the modified differential protection, it is going to use separate relay coil for earth fault and phase to phase fault. For phase fault, the relay which are going to use are PC and PA, that is phase fault relay. For earth fault, the relay which are going to use is earth fault relay ER. Here in the circuit diagram, BR is the balancing resistor which is balance the equipotential point between the pilot cable. Now we have a very high resistance near the neutral, so it will limit the current. Then we set the relays of low setting. The same circuit is used for different types of fault. It should act for earth fault also, or if a short circuit occurs between the phases, also the relay should act upon. In earlier, there is difficulties that whenever there is earth fault occurs, we provide high resistance. Then relay settings will be of lower value. But that is not suitable for phase-to-phase fault where we have heavy magnitude of current flow through it. Now this is modified by separate criteria for earth fault relay of low setting and comparatively high setting for phase fault relay. So when earth fault occurs, the current is passed through earth fault relay through S1 path or S2 path and operate the relay. In this case, it is not going to pass to phase fault relay PC and PA. And the second condition is that when phase to phase fault occurs, then current from the secondary of the CT circulate through balancing resistor BR and passes through PC and PA, that is phase fault relay. Then it is going to operate the phase fault relay. So if a phase fault occurs, only the phase fault relay PC or PA will operate without passing through earth fault relay. And if a earth fault relay occurs, only the earth fault relay ER will operate. So this distinction makes even if the lower current setting, it is not going to affect the operation of the relay. So in the modified differential protection, we have having separate criteria for earth fault relay and phase fault relay. We are using two types of relay for earth fault and phase to phase fault. So the main drawbacks of the differential protection is that 80 to 85% of the winding is protected and the remaining 20% of the winding is not protected, is overcome by this method. So I hope you understood well. Thank you.